Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got exciting news straight from China. Red Magic is announcing two gaming-focused tablets. These tablets are packed with cutting-edge features and designed specifically for gamers. Let's dive into the details. Tablet models and screen features. So, Red Magic will be launching two models, one with a 10.9-inch display and the other with a 12.4-inch display. Both displays support up to a 144 Hz refresh rate and an incredible 840 Hz touch sampling rate, making them perfect for ultra-smooth gameplay. B-roll footage of the tablets being used for gaming. But that's not all. The Red Magic gaming pad is also claimed to be the first ever naked eye 3D tablet. It features a 90 Hz AI-backed eye tracking system for an immersive 3D experience without the need for glasses. How cool is that? Now let's talk about the design. The Red Magic gaming pad will come in two stunning color options: Dium Transparent Silver Wing and Dium Transparent Dark Night. Both versions look sleek and futuristic, perfect for gamers who love a stylish device. Close-ups of the tablet in both colors. On the back, you'll find a prominent camera module located in the upper left corner. It houses a 50-megapixel primary camera, an LED flash, and even RGB lighting for that extra touch of gaming flair. On the right edge of the tablet, you've got your power button, an unknown recessed button, a pair of microphones, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera for crystal clear video calls or streaming. And it doesn't stop there. The Red Magic gaming pad is built for performance. It features a metal body with a built-in cooling fan to keep things running smoothly during intense gaming sessions. Footage showing gaming performance and cooling. Powering the tablet is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Overclocked processor, making this the first tablet to use this powerhouse chipset. You'll get up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, so you can store all your games and apps without worry. It also packs a massive 10,100 mAh battery with support for 120-watt fast charging, so you can game for longer and recharge in no time. Shows the charging feature in action. Now, for the pricing. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro starts at 3,999 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model. That's a great deal for such a high-performance device. That's it for today's video. What do you think of Red Magic's new gaming tablets? Are you excited about the world's first naked eye 3D tablet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.